Steve DiMaggio here, and I just wrote a blog on cleaning this guitar up, so I wanted to provide a video to go along with that blog. So here I am going over my 2006 Taylor 410. So I just cleaned this up, and the story behind this is I asked my wife to buy this for me for our wedding back in August of 2006. And it was a guitar that I sold a lot in a local music store. It was my go-to model. There's no electronics in it. It was I believe the first Taylor that came with the hard shell case, up from the 300 series at the time. And I just, sold a ton of these things and was very familiar with them for a very long time. And this guitar has gone to Taylor, been refretted. It's had, a decent amount of luthier work done on it. And it's a great guitar. It sounds great. It's Ovingall front and back, spruce top. Don't know too much more about it. Mahogany neck, maybe, Sapelli, something. But I've had it for, since 2006, so however many years that is. And I just cleaned it up the other morning. It was pretty grimy. And I don't play it too much because obviously I'm a rep for other acoustic companies. I did want to share this guitar because it does go back a long time for me. And sounds cool. It's kind of aged, got a little bit of mojo to it. So anyway, I'm just going to play a couple things here so you can kind of hear how my old Taylor 410 sounds. So what did I clean this guitar up with? I used some Dunlop lemon oil on the fretboard, Ernie Ball spray on the top of the guitar. I actually used an Ernie Ball spray on the back of the guitar too, which was the first time I ever cleaned it since I had it. As you can see, it's pretty well dinged up there. Yeah, and I used that lemon oil also on the bridge here. Looks like it probably could use a little bit more. Yeah, and just kind of wiped it down, and it's got a little funkiness going on the top, but it's an old guitar, so what do you expect? Anyway, if you watch this to the end, I hope you enjoyed this different version of Dear Daily Almost. Thanks.